Everybody knows the myth, excess of anything is bad, there's no doubt. But let's see what else. As a result, excessive reading is bad. If excess of anything is bad, excess of reading is also bad. What about Salimullah Khan, the giant person? He studies so much. He's a storehouse of all information all over the world. He's been very much famous. But I want to compare him, Salimullah Khan, to Socrates, because Socrates is quite opposite. He did not read anything. He did not go to school. He did not go to any place. He had no teachers. No one was with him. But how could he become the greatest philosopher? He was the father of Western philosopher. So what I want to say is that probably Salimullah Khan is not a philosopher. It's because he read excessively. So if you read excessively, it means you cannot have time to think over something philosophically. Probably Salimullah Khan is not good in philosophy, but is very good in many other subjects. Socrates did not study, didn't go to any school, nothing. Still, as he became the father of Western philosophy, compared to Socrates, Salimullah Khan, he has read so many books, he read so many things, he knows everything. He's like Aristotle, but the problem is he doesn't have probably the philosophical knowledge. So it's all because excessive reading is bad, and in this sense, if you read excessively, you cannot become a philosopher. And my understanding says that Salimullah Khan is not a philosopher. He is quite opposite to Socrates, as he's read excessively, and Socrates did not read anything. And what else I want to mention is that, can I say excess of nothing is the best or the worst? As Socrates did no reading, probably he is the best, and someone else who is a rickshaw puller, who is a truck driver, who has not read anything, he is the worst. So those who have read excessively are not philosopher like Salimullah Khan. They have a lot of ideas, information, but they don't have the philosophical insight. Similarly, if somebody reads the list, it means he is the best, and as rickshaw puller has not read anything, he is the worst. So if you do not read, that is excess of nothing, if you do not read at all, then you are either the best or the worst. So Socrates here is the best, and the rickshaw puller has not read anything is the worst. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.